babies.
Instead, he's taking them to a fully furnished modern villa in a private compound with pool access.
Hey.
This is the Humvee
He's
lawyer.
playing over here.
This is a new
Help.
house which I'm going to show you. It's just over here.
Oh, nice.
Free fighting. Yeah.
It's pretty big.
Hi, Eddie.
There's 3
Hi.
pools, and there's also a shared swimming pool, which is to be used by the residents of this development only. Obviously the living area here, dining room. It's a very attractive house. It's very big. Yeah.
Look at that.
It's got quite a western feel to it, which is nice.
Yeah.
The modern house is really bright and airy.
This one playing with something, not by yourself. Hey.
Decorated to a really high standard.
You've got an oven microwave over here, very large fish freezer.
Is that an ice maker?
It is, an ice maker included. It looks very modern. Obviously you've got plenty of storage space, so
Hey.
it's nice and spacious. Yeah. I'll take you upstairs, show you the bedroom. First bedroom is actually the maid's room. As you can see,
Ooh,
there's
has a dark
a
head.
bit of floor-to-ceiling height issues, but I don't
Yeah.
expect you to be using this room. However, as you say, you've got a newborn on the way. It could be suitable for them for a few years. However, you might not be able to get in. Okay. I'll take you onto the bedrooms on the high floor. As you approach, we've got a nice living area here.
This is an interesting space, isn't it? Like a TV room.
This area, you could use it as a play area. I'll just take you through to the master bedroom. Obviously, plenty of storage space here.
Yeah, that's nice. Good for all your clothes.
And then through into the bathroom. Here you've got the sink with the extra storage space here.
It's nice and modern. The bath would be quite good for the baby.
Have lots of fun in there.
This is the master bedroom. Got the television and the air conditioning units. Everything would come as you can see it now. Nice big bed with the side drawers. And then you've also got the benefit of the balcony here. Take a look around.
Okay, well, the first thing I see is a construction site.
Building works only take place in the week before 5 o'clock.
Problem is, I'll be here all day with 2 little kids who need to take their naps during the day.
The rent is heavily discounted because it's on a new development. This is an implication you need to consider.
Yeah, okay.
If you just come through here to the right, again, a very decent size. You've got the bathroom there.
How cute.
And the bedroom also
How
here.
cute.
Plenty of storage space. I imagine this would be great for you guys with your one
you're all
child
so
and the
cute.
child on the way.
I think the modern house could be very comfortable. It was certainly very airy and cool.
What do you think in general?
Looks like a very sort of luxury Western style villa. Could be anywhere.